Let's understand two terminologies, compile time and runtime. We write programs in high-level languages like Java. Once you write a program, we call it source code. For executing these programs on the computer, we need to convert them to low-level language. This conversion process is called compilation. Who does this conversion? The software which converts high-level language code to low-level language is called a compiler. Java has a compiler and it converts the programs we write in high-level language to low-level language or bytecode so that JVM can execute it. So, if you need to execute the programs that you write, it's a two-step process. First, you need to compile it, that is, convert your code to Java bytecode. Then execute the Java bytecode or low-level code on JVM. Now, what is compile time? Compile time refers to the period during which the source code of the program is converted into low-level code by a compiler, whereas a runtime refers to the period during which a compiled program is executed. Now let's see the practical side of how a Java source code is compiled and how a compiled code is executed. Okay, it's a two-step process, right? So here I have a very simple Java code, hello world.java. Let's see what's in it. I'm opening it in an editor and let me zoom it a bit so you can see that well. You can see that there is a class hello world and there's a main method. Under I have a println statement, very simple println statement, hello world is being printed. Okay, so now let's compile this code. Okay, for executing this code you have to compile it and generate the low level code or Java bytecode. So let's see how to do that. I'm gonna execute the Java compiler Java C and I'm passing this file name to the compiler Java C so that it will generate the Java bytecode. Okay, so let's pass hello world.java to this compiler. Okay, so now let's see the result. Okay, so the compilation process is done and it has generated a file, new file, right? Hello world.class. So this is the Java bytecode or low level language code. Okay, so the period during which conversion has happened, that is conversion of source code to Java bytecode, that period is called compile time. Okay, now we have the Java bytecode available. Now we will be able to execute this Java bytecode hello world.class. So let's execute it. So we can execute it on JVM, right? So for that the command is Java and then the hello world.class name, right? So I can pass hello world for executing it and let us see the result. Okay, there you go. You can see the result now. It has printed hello world. The program has executed. Okay, so what is runtime here? So runtime is the period during which a program, a low level code program is executed. You might be using some Java editors like IntelliJ IDEA, and when you write a code and execute it, you immediately get the result. So you might be wondering when the compilation process is done. So let's dig into this. So here there's a Java project and I have a Java code written here. Hello world class is there and there's a main method which prints hello world. Okay, now when you click this run button, let's see what happens. Let's run this. Boom, you got the result, hello world, right? So what is happening behind the scene? What the editor IntelliJ does is it is asking the Java compiler to compile the source code and generate Java bytecode. So where is it generated? Now if you take a look at here, a new folder is created named out. So take a look at it. So inside this you can see that there's a new file created, hello world. So this is the Java bytecode generated, the low level code. The compiler has compiled our source code and it has generated Java bytecode here. And then IntelliJ will ask the JVM to execute this Java bytecode. And that's how you got the result here.